In this video, I want to talk about basement waterproofing and provide you with something that I've always been concerned about, even though I live in Southern California where there are not a lot of basements. And that will be the waterproofing of the interior of a basement wall if the exterior waterproofing has failed and you now have water leaking through the walls. And you're not interested in excavating the soil around the perimeter of your home to fix it the right way. And I say the right way because I strongly believe that by waterproofing both sides of a concrete or block wall, you're going to end up trapping moisture. And I've seen plenty of concrete products damaged that weren't ever waterproofed on either side, yet exposed to moisture for long periods of time. And if this leads to structural damage that cannot be fixed, then plan on partially or completely replacing the basement. And that's my main concern in this video, is that these painted on or firmly attached products either don't work well enough to solve your problem, or they work too well and trap moisture. And another problem you need to think about is that these interior waterproofing paints and membranes usually don't last forever. Expect them to break down eventually, and if that happens, they will need to be reapplied, which can be costly and inconvenient for homeowners, especially if you added a framed wall that has been drywalled so that you could finish your basement, adding even more cost to your project when you have to remove the wall so that you can reapply the products. Now let's be realistic. Forget those miracle cure products that promise to magically fix crumbling concrete or gaping cracks. In my experience, they simply don't deliver long-term results. And here's a critical factor many do-it-yourselfers don't know about, and that's the fact that concrete constantly expands and contracts with temperature and moisture changes. That means any rigid paint or membrane you applied is destined to fail. If it can't flex, it will crack and peel, leaving you right back where you started, or worse, like I already mentioned. And now for the big question, how would you fix something like this without spending a lot of money? And I don't really have a good answer. It seems the best way to fix this is from the outside. However, if anyone out there has a better suggestion, feel free to share it with us in the comment area. And if I think it's a good idea, I will definitely do a little more research and make another video and attach a link to this video in the future.